If you want to backup your Poco C85 like old date, you have to go to the settings, select about phone, and right now you will have to navigate for backup and restore settings. Next, you can find here local backup for our mobile device or computer, or you can find the online backup for Xiaomi Cloud or Google Cloud. If you want to use the Google one, you will have to click over here and you will be redirected into the Google one. You can find here everything that is actually backup, so the photos, videos, older device date. So this is actually the everything. You can just click here and there's information about all backup details. You can also use mobile data or metered Wi-Fi data to perform a backup. And it looks the same when you open the photos and the videos. You can also change the backup quality. You can also backup by using mobile data usage. And now if you want to do this manually, you have to just click here and input your screen lock to do this.